Still, there's 100. And 100 was our limit. Let's go see what happened. Well, there's your problem. I can see an O-ring out of place down here. I guess I just did a bad job putting that together too. All right, this time I'm just gonna slowly open the valve. We'll be back at the same 100 PSI. I'm not slamming it open. I don't want to shock the system too much, but I do want to be a little bit less gentle than before. We're at a little over 100. Everything seems fine. Let's get up to our final 120. 110. All right, it's full pressure, it's 120. With the system at full pressure, let's see if we can find any small leaks. I turned off the air supply from the air compressor about 5 minutes ago, and we're already down 20 PSI. So we definitely have some leaks. Big leak here, little leak here. I don't think there's a leak here. Little leak here. So we're batting a whopping like 1 for 5 on these air leaks, but we'll get them fixed tomorrow. And honestly, we could run right now without fixing them if we needed to. Compared to running a machine, they're not using that much air. These trays were a big seller before the move, but I haven't started making them on the new machine yet. Let's fix that today. If everything goes to plan, this should just be a matter of setting up the machine and proving out my new code. This is my production fixture. I painted it orange because that makes me happy. This end mill right here is the hero of the day. This is a 3-flue roughing end mill designed for just tearing through aluminum. I just had to stop that mid-cut because I heard the spindle start to bog down. That was a pretty aggressive ramp. I think it was like a 15-degree ramp down. The tool handled it fine, but I just don't have the horsepower. So I'm gonna back that off a little bit for safety and try again. All right, 5 degrees instead of 15. Let's see how this goes. I had to stop it again. It started sounding funny, and it turns out it was because of chip buildup on the tool. I've dialed back my feeds and speeds. This is a much less aggressive cut and should work better. I must still have some speeds and feeds left from my last machine, because this is a wee bit slow. And ironically, this finishing pass is a little too aggressive. I can already see that these finishes are way better than what I was getting on my old machine. I think that looks pretty darn good. If you want to buy one of these trays, designtheverything.com. We're going to finish this tray up in the next video.